In this video, we want to solve a differential equation y dx equals y e to the y minus 2x dy. Let's first subtract both sides by y e to the y minus 2x dy, and let's check if this is exact. So here, m is going to be y, and then n is going to be negative quantity y e to the y minus 2x. And if we distribute the negative, we get negative y e to the y plus 2x. To check for exactness, we're going to take the derivative of m with respect to y and then n with respect to x. And we want to see if those are equal. So first with m, the derivative with respect to y is just 1. And the derivative of n with respect to x is just 2. So because 1 is not equal to 2, this equation is not exact. Now the next step is, can we rewrite this as a first order differential equation? So to do that, I'm going to divide. So here we have y dx on this side. Can we divide both sides by y and dy? So that will give us dx over dy equals y e to the y minus 2x over y. And we can break it up into two fractions. Y e to the y over y is just e to the y, and then we have minus 2x over y. So now we have 2x over dy, and then we're going to add the 2x over y to get 2 over yx equals e to the y. And so this we can actually work with. In order to solve this, we want to use the integration factor. Here, p of y is going to be whatever's in front of the x, which is 2 over y, and the q of y is whatever's on the right side, which is e to the y. So we have e raised to the integral of p of y dy, which is e raised to the integral 2 over y dy, and the antiderivative of 2 over y is just 2 natural log absolute value of y, and then when we do e raised to that, we get y squared. So we're going to multiply both sides by y squared. So we have y squared dx over dy plus 2yx equals y squared e to the y. Notice on the left side, this is just the derivative of x times y squared with respect to y. And on the right side, we have y squared e to the y. So to solve for x here, I'm going to integrate both sides. So then when I integrate the left side, the d over dy will cancel. And then we just need to integrate y squared e to the y, which that's just going to be integration by parts. We'll let u equal y squared dv e to the y dy. Du then is 2y dy, and v is e to the y. So we plug it in here, simplify. We end up with e to the y times the quantity y squared minus 2y plus 2. So this is the right side over here. But don't forget, you have to add a constant c. So the left side we kept the same, that was xy squared. And in order to solve for x, we have to divide both sides by the y squared. So when we do that, we get x of y equals e to the y times the quantity y squared minus 2y plus 2 plus constant c over y squared. And that's our final answer.